Good morning students, Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today our lecture is for the one class and the subject is English. As you know that we have read 3 chapters now. Fourth one chapter is about topic is my neighbor and I. Neighbors mean, what do you mean to say? Do you have any concept about the neighbors? Neighbors mean हमसाए, जो आपके next door पे रहते हैं, आपके साथ रहते हैं, उन्हें कहा जाता है neighbors. Okay, the name of the chapter is My Neighbors and I. Okay, now come on the course book page number 38. Open the book page number 38. Okay, in this lesson you read about yourself, about the different neighbors. You can read under the guideline of your parents and under the guideline of your tutors. As possible you can read. Now come on the next page, page number 39, which is about the tick the number in the narrator's family. You can match the each person in the each family by reading this dictation, by reading this lesson and underline the words that are given there, like that. Reading comprehension on the next page. Match each person with his or her house. One has been done for you. Like you have to match these houses with the numbers. The next one about tick the members in the narrator's family. Narrator means जिसने ये lesson लिखा है उसके family के members को आपने टिक करना है कि इस lesson में कौन कौन से उनके narrators के family members थे. Grandfather, father, sister, grandmother, mother and brother. इनमें से sister और brother नहीं थे. ये जो पूरी स्टोरी थी उसमें father, mother, grandmother and grandfather ये 4 characters थे जो इस lesson में read किए गए हैं. Now come on the next page, which is about page number 40. On the course book page number 40, vocabulary. You have to color these pictures. Now next page, B part. Who are the male members of your family? Who are the female members? Write their names in the correct column. They are given you 2 columns. One is for the male members and next one is for the female member. As you know that male is a male person, boy, female is a girl. Okay. Now in your family, male members are your fathers like Baba, Bhai. Female members like Mama, Api, and if you are a girl, you can write in this box. If you are a girl, boy, you can read in this lesson, in this box. Now come on the next page, course book page number 41, which is about your grammar. As I told you in the different grammar chapters that we read about the noun, pronoun, common noun, proper noun. This is again the grammar topic, which is about grammar. Like we have to read about the personal pronoun. Personal pronoun means आपका जिससे आपका रिलेशन हो, आप जाति उससे बात कर रहे हो. Like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. They are all the personal pronoun. They can take the place of a noun. Now they are giving you different exercise by giving the different examples. Like hello, my name is Sheena. I live in house number 5. As you know that Sheena is a girl, we can read and we can write as the she and I. ठीक है, he is talking about herself, so that's why she use I. But अगर आप किसी लड़की की बात कर रहे हैं तो आपको डेफिनेटली सी बात होता है कि आप वहाँ पे लगाएंगे she. अगर कोई बॉय होगा तो उसके लिए लगाएंगे he. Now, my brother is older than me. He is 10 years old. They mark he. Next one. Well is my neighbor. She lives in the house number 4. There are all these examples there. Now come on the next part, which is about circle the pronoun. Pronoun क्या होते हैं? Pronoun होते हैं I, you, he, she, it, we and they. They are all the personal pronoun. Now you have to circle the pronoun in this part. Like she is laughing. You have to identify where is the pronoun. She is a pronoun, is a pronoun, or laughing is a pronoun. As you know that she means that is a girl, so that's why they circle that she. You have to circle this part she, S-H-E, she in this first example. Now rest of others you can solve under the guideline of your parents and the tutors. This is your task, you have to complete this. Now come on the next page, which is about simple present tense. Do you have any concept simple present tense? Simple present tense, as I told you, present tense are those sentences that something is doing in the it at once. यानी कि जो काम उस वक्त हो रहा होता है उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. यानी कि किसी भी वर्क का करना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम टीचिंग यू, मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ, ये काम मैं अभी कर रही हूँ, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम इन द प्रेजेंट. नाउ दे आर गिविंग यू डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स. लाइक कैथी क्लीन्स हर रूम. कैथी अपना रूम क्लीन्स कर रही है, तो इट मीन्स क्लीन इज हर एक्शन. नेक्स्ट वन, द प्लेयर वॉक ऑन टू द फील्ड. जो प्लेयर्स हैं वो वॉक कर रहे हैं, वॉक उनका क्या होगा, एक्शन होगा कि वो उस वक्त वो काम कर रहे हैं। और एक इसकी आइडेंटिफिकेशन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में ये भी होती है कि कोई भी वर्क जो आप उस वक्त कर रहे हो वो आपके एक्शन को शो करे। नाउ सर्कल द वर्ड्स इन द सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस। Shella runs across the yard, across the park. You have to circle runs. This is her action. Next one, Rahim hops on the leg. You have to circle hops. Tina waits for the bus to stop. As you know, wait, वो wait कर रही है, ये उसका action है, ठीक है? Alex takes his pet for a walk. My mother bakes a cake. As you know that you have to circle the action words in the simple present tense. Now come on the next page, which is about the page number 43 on the course book. In this page you can read about the ng sound. Ng sound means those words which have the ng sound like ring, bang, king, long. These are all the ng sound, long sound, like bang, bring, hang, king, long, ring, sing, song, wing and wrong. These are all the different words. Now they are giving you different pictures and you have to mark the ng sound by completing these filling the blanks. Like in the first picture they are showing about a ring, R-I-N-G, complete word ring. Next one, wing, W-I-N-G, wing. Next one, L-O-N-G, long, long means long, long snake. K-I-N-G, king, king, as you know that king. Now on the page number 44, as you know that you are not at the school, so that's why we are not solving these two pages like listening and the speaking page. But if you are in the school, we can easily solve this. Now come on the next page, page number 46, which is about that they are giving you different pronoun. As I will read in the page number, backward page number, pronoun like this. And you have to again circle the pronoun by adding the filling the blanks and complete the filling the blanks. Like they are giving you different words like we, he, she, they. They are giving you different words and you have to put in these filling the blanks by completing this. My sister name is Tanya. Dash is always laughing. You have to identify she आएगा या he आएगा. Girl Tanya की बात हो रही है तो it means she. You have to put she, she. Next one, Ron has 3 brothers. They are often noisy. Martin likes telling jokes. He lives in the house number 4. I live with my mother and father. We live in house number 6. You have to complete this like SHE she, THEY they, HE he, WE we. Now B part, choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. They are giving you 2 words and you have to mark the correct one. Me line lives in the house number 1. You have to, because you have to circle these, tick these options by thinking that they are in the simple present tense. Like live and lives, we have to add S, so that's why we tick lives. Can plays with his friend. The kitten sleeps in a basket. Farah hides behind a tree. Now the last page, which is about the ng sound. In this whole chapter we read about the 3 things. In this chapter we learn about the my neighbors and I. Neighbors mean हमसाए, next door पे जो आपके हमसाए रहते हैं. I means you, आप. इस चैप्टर में हमने 3 things के बारे में पढ़ा. सबसे पहले हमने पढ़ा प्रोनाउन के बारे में, जिसमें आ जाते हैं he, she, it, I, they and you. They are all in the pronoun. Next one we read about the simple present tense. Simple present tense are those sentences that show the action in the present era. Means that आपका कोई भी वर्क जो आप कर रहे हो वो आपका प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन को शो करता है, जिसे कहते हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. In this chapter you have to tick this. Okay. Now write words that end with the ng sound. हमने वो वाले words write करने हैं जिनमें ng sound आता है. You have to read and write under the guideline of your parents and the tutors like ring, king, wing, sing, long and song. Now this is all about your course book chapter number 4. If you have any problem you can contact with your school for taking the notes. Now it's all about chapter number 4. Now we come to the course book notebook task, which is about which we have to open the notebook like that. As you know that this is your notebook. Okay. Now chapter number 4. The first part which is about on the notebook is about your dictation words. Okay, now we can read easily dictation. As you know that every chapter has some dictation words, some difficult words we can read as a dictation words like SAD, sad. Again pronouncing sad. BROTHER, brother. FATHER, father. MOTHER, mother. SISTER, sister. NOISY, noisy. Again reading this: sad, brother, father, mother, sister and noisy. These are all the dictation words. The next part which is on your notebook is about the word synonyms. Okay, as you know that words, different words, they are giving you synonyms, similar words, similar sound, like happy, 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 GLAD, glad. LONELY, lonely. ALONE, alone. Opposite similar word: CROSS, cross. ROAD, road. FUNNY, funny. WITTY, witty. JOKE, joke. JEST, chest, like funny sound. Okay, now come on the next page. You can write make sentences. Make sentences. Make sentences, as you know, they are giving you different words and you have to make the sentences. The first one I have done for you, LIVE, live. Live means रहना. As you know that you live, so that's why I am talking about myself. So that's why I write I. I live in Jhang. Okay. The next words I am giving you, you have to make the sentences of these words like happy, play, sad and friend. These are all the different words and you have to make the make sentences about these words. Now next question is about the question answers. Question answers. Now first question is about where do you live? Where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? I live in Jhang. Next one. Who lives next to your house? आपके next house में कौन रहते हैं? My neighbors. आपके हमसाए. NEIGHBOURS. Neighbors. Neighbors. Next one. Who lives with you? आप किसके साथ रहते हैं या आपके साथ कौन रहता है? I live with my parents. कि आप अपने parents के साथ रहते हैं. The next point is about your spelling and the sound words. Like NG sound, we can read in the course book and again we are reading like NG sound. These are all the NG sounds. NG sound words. Like WING, wing. RING, ring. SING, sing. KING, king. LONG, long. SONG, song. WRONG, wrong. These are all your sound words and the task that I am assigning you is that you have to read the whole chapter in the whole week, My Neighbors and I, from the course book and notebook. This is your task. You have to complete this task in the whole week. Okay, thank you so much. Okay student, this is your homework task. You have to complete another full week, like learn, complete chapter number 4 from the course book plus notebook. You have to read this chapter in the whole week. This is your task. You have to complete. If you have any kind of problem in your reading, in your lesson, you can contact with the schools. All the notes are given there. You can contact with the school. Okay, thank you so much. This is your task. You have to complete. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.